Hi there, this is Mark News at Westward Law, and this is another episode of Bankruptcy and Other Pleasant Things. So today we're going to start out by just talking about what it is. What is bankruptcy? Basically, it's a process and a system of procedures that allow individuals and businesses to deal with financial distress. So that's actually one of the reasons that I'm in this business, is the last part, financial distress. I like to help people that find themselves in these types of serious financial issues that they need to deal with. And we all know that financial matters can invade every aspect of our lives. It can really take us down several notches, bring us to the lowest points in our lives. And I like to be able to be the one that provides some measure of relief to people that find themselves in these kinds of situations. So when I have people like that, I try to get them answers and try to get them some help and counsel. And many times bankruptcy is the tool that we use to help them out of that jam. So that is what it is. I like to describe bankruptcy as a tool. It's a tool in the toolbox of life, if you will. It's not something that people should be ashamed of using. It's there. We have it there for people to use when they need it. It doesn't mean that things have to be so dire that you're about to get, be living under a bridge or something like that. It doesn't need to be that bad. But it is something that you want to enter into cautiously. You want to make sure that you've looked at other options. You don't want to too quickly rush into a bankruptcy. You want to make sure it's the right thing for you. And you certainly don't want to be doing it unwisely or too often. We have some rules in place that prevent people from filing bankruptcies too often, but it is something that you should be cautious about. But that's what we're here for, is to help guide you through that and make sure it's the right fit for the individual or the business. In the end, if we feel it is the right thing for you, most people would find that it's going to be quite a relief, and it's going to get them in the quickest way possible to some level of safety and financial relief that will allow them to continue on with their lives and be productive members of society once again. And you'll find that happiness will return, and eventually financial security. And that's what we want. We want people to be secure in their futures. We want you to be able to prepare for retirement. We don't want people to be so down about their financial condition that it ruins their lives, it ruins their relationships, their jobs, makes them not want to work. All those sorts of things. Not good for families or communities or society in general. So that's what you ought to look at it as, is basically a tool in the toolbox of life. So hopefully this will help some of you. I'm here to speak with folks as they have questions about bankruptcy, whether or not it's the right fit for them with their specific situation. Give us a call. Happy to speak with folks and set up an initial consultation. This is Mark News at Westward Law. Our phone number is 360-899-5468, or you could just visit our website at www.westwardlawpllc.com and schedule an initial consultation there, or maybe look for the answer on the volume of information that I have out there for folks that are curious about bankruptcy. Anyway, I'll end it there for now. Have a good rest of your day.